American Airlines disclosed Qatar Airways' surprise investment plans on Thursday in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. American said the state-owned carrier wants to buy a little more than $800 million of American's common stock on the open market. That's a little less than a 3.5% stake. But Qatar Airways said it might expand that to 10%, which would require approval from American's board of directors. Airline analyst George HAMLIN says the investment makes little sense.
But again, what's the benefit of it? They're already in an alliance. The dividends airlines pay are not a particularly good reason to invest in airline stock amongst the companies. And what's the advantage here?
But Qatar Airways said in a statement it sees a strong investment opportunity in American and says it intends to build a passive position in the company with no involvement in management or operations of governance. The timing of the announcement is curious. It comes just weeks after 4 of Qatar's Middle Eastern neighbors blocked airspace to Qatari aircraft over a diplomatic dispute. At the Paris Air Show earlier this week, CEO AKBAR Al-Baker said that was hurting business.
We have had a lot of cancellations, especially to the 4 countries that did this illegal blockade. However, we have found new markets, and this is our growth strategy, to always find new markets where competition is taking the market share away from us.
American security filing says the two companies have discussed the deal, but Chief Executive Douglas Parker's past criticism of some foreign airlines buying stakes in U.S. carriers, coupled with his stance on Qatar Airways investment plans, could ground a much larger deal. Diane, Easterbrook, Al Jazeera, Washington.